Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Miranda Derrick, TikTok dancer, influencer, and now at the center of Netflix's docuseries Dancing for the Devil, the 7M TikTok cult. With a lot of controversy, people want to know, where is she now? Let's break it all down. Miranda Derrick started out making dance videos with her sister Melanie as part of the Wilking sisters. She built a following on TikTok and Instagram. Over time, she joined the management company 7M Films, which is affiliated with the Shekinah Church run by Robert Shin. Her involvement with 7M and the church has led to public allegations by her family that she became isolated, that her relationships with family were strained, and that she's being influenced or controlled by the organization. After the Netflix docuseries Dancing for the Devil premiered in May 2024, there was a surge of public attention. Her family spoke openly about concern, and there have been claims of abuse, allegations of coercive control, and estrangement. Miranda, however, denies being forced or trapped. She says she made her own choices, that she is not a victim, and that she retains agency. She's also said she feels her life and safety have been compromised. She and her husband James B. Derrick have reported being followed, receiving threats, and feeling unsafe. Where is Miranda Derrick now? As of the latest updates, Miranda lives in Los Angeles with her husband, James B. Derrick. She continues creating content and dancing. Though her social media presence has shifted at times, she and her husband wiped their social media accounts and removed or limited references to 7M Films and Shekinah Church from their bios. She has stated she remains affiliated, though it's unclear to what extent. She's also working on repairing relationships with family. She attended her sister Melanie's wedding in 2024 after years of estrangement. And there have been a few posts showing family interaction, with conditions reportedly set around not discussing 7M or Shekinah when they connect. Miranda Derrick's story is one of rising fame, family conflict, and serious accusations, but also public denial and defense. Whether she's still deeply involved or gradually pulling away from 7M, she remains a polarizing figure. What do you think? Is she free to make her own choices, or is the pressure around her too big? Let me know in the comments below.